अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज हम साइकोलॉजी 404 एबनॉर्मल साइकोलॉजी का क्विज नंबर 3 सॉल्व करेंगे। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिसऑर्डर पर्सन फील्स सेपरेशन फ्रॉम वंस बॉडी एंड इज ऑब्जर्विंग वन सेल्फ फ्रॉम आउटसाइड? डीपर्सनलाइजेशन या फिर डीपर्सनलाइजेशन डिसऑर्डर। स्लीप वॉकिंग इज वन ऑफ द डायग्नोस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिसऑर्डर? पैरासोमनिया। Which of the following level of severity includes 1-3 binge eating episodes per week? Mild. For children ages 6 to 18 years, aggressive behavior that occurs as part of an adjustment disorder should not be considered for the diagnosis of intermittent explosive disorder. Dissociative disorders are placed in which of the following group of disorders in DSM-5? Traumatic and stress-related disorders. All of the following are the type of anorexia nervosa except doing proper exercise. All of the following are etiological factors of sleep-wake disorders except binge eating. Which of the following is not an environment causal factor of dissociative disorder? Seasonal changes. Ali has three personalities, but none of his personality is aware of the other personality. Identify the type of interaction he might be experiencing. Mutually amnesic relationship. और अगर बाकी पर्सनालिटीज एक दूसरे से वाकिफ हों तो वो आ जाता है म्यूचुअली कॉग्निजेंट पैटर्न्स. Alina is showing the symptoms of depersonalization or derealization but does not meet the full criteria of the depersonalization or derealization disorder. Identify the appropriate diagnosis. Unspecified depersonalization or derealization disorder. If a child has a history of physical and emotional trauma during his childhood and adolescence age, he would be more vulnerable to develop conduct disorder. Ahmed is showing symptoms of depersonalization, derealization, but the clinician is unable to get the complete information as he had brought in an inappropriate diagnosis. Unspecified depersonalization, जब आपके पास enough information नहीं होती एक diagnosis को conclude करने के लिए तो वो होता है unspecified depersonalization disorder. For 5 years children or older, oppositional defined behavior should occur from the last 6 months for at least once per week. हफ्ते में एक दफ़ा होना चाहिए 6 महीने लगातार. All of the following activities are involved in restricting type of anorexia nervosa except for binge eating. Which of the following is not a way in which subpersonalities in dissociative identity disorder interact with each other? Mutually amnesic relationship. Alina has 4 personalities and 4 of the personalities are aware about each other. Identify the type of interaction he might be experiencing. She. Mutually cognizant patterns. Genetics plays an important role in developing which of the following disorder? Narcolepsy. Individuals in cluster A appear odd or eccentric. All of the following are the types of disruptive impulsive control and conduct disorders except borderline personality disorder. Which principle of behavioral school of thought is responsible for the development of dissociative disorder? Operant conditioning. All of the following are the symptoms of conduct disorder except non-aggressive behavior to animals. If a child shows disobeying, aggressive and vindictive behavior, then he would be diagnosed as oppositional defiant disorder. Which of the following physiological features do not change in dissociative identity disorder? Pancreatic system. Which of the following features do not change in dissociative identity disorder? Face. All of the following are the types of anorexia nervosa except doing proper exercise. Which of the following personality disorder is a type of disruptive impulsive control and conduct disorder? Antisocial personality disorder. All of the following are the causes of conduct disorder except इसमें MCQ की जो statement है उसमें गलती है. All of the following are the familial causes of conduct disorder except तो उसमें आ जाता है low verbal IQ, Which डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इज द कॉज ऑफ डिसोसिएटिव डिसऑर्डर्स? रिप्रेशन, यानी कि जो भी आपकी पसंदीदा थॉट्स नहीं हैं आप उसको रिप्रेस कर दें और अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में भेज दें. Which of the following is not an environment causal factor of dissociative disorders? Seasonal changes. Child with oppositional defiant disorder has the abnormality in amygdala. Individuals in cluster B appear dramatic, emotional, or erratic. All of the following are the types of sleep-wake disorders except for delusional sleep. If an individual has 2 or more episodes of insomnia within space of 1 year, then it would be specified as recurrent.